Hello learners, welcome back to our channel Proplex Labs. Today we are going to build a simple and innovative DIY project, a smart motion based dustbin. This dustbin automatically opens its lid when a hand or object comes near it, making it a hygienic and contactless waste disposal system. Before we begin, let's take a look at the components you will need. An Arduino UNO, an ultrasonic sensor, a micro servo motor, jumper wires, a power source, and a dustbin or container to build the lid mechanism. You can find all the electronic components in the Propellex Labs Young Innovators Kit. So let's get started. First, start assembling the automatic iris lid for our smart dustbin. If you are using cardboard, first cut and prepare a circular lid that can move freely without any obstruction. In our project, we are using a 3D printed iris mechanism which gives the dustbin a premium and futuristic opening system. The iris mechanism consists of one large black base frame, one small drive gear, one large top gear ring, 5 orange iris blades, and 5 bolts. First, take the large black base frame and insert all 5 bolts into their designated positions. Next, attach the small drive gear to the side of the base. Then place the 5 orange iris blades, making sure they overlap correctly so they can slide smoothly. Finally, position the large top gear ring on top, aligning it with bolts and gear teeth as shown. Once assembled, rotate the small gear by hand. If everything is aligned correctly, the iris will open and close smoothly, just like a camera aperture. Now place the Arduino UNO near the setup and connect all components neatly. Let's move on to the connections. Connect the ultrasonic sensor. VCC to 5V on Arduino, ground to ground, trigger to digital pin 9, echo to digital pin 10. For the servo motor, brown or black wire to ground, red wire to 5V, signal wire to digital pin 6. Once everything is connected, double check all wiring carefully using the circuit diagram provided. Now, open the Arduino IDE, copy the code linked in the description and paste it into the software. When a hand comes within a set range, the Arduino triggers the servo motor and automatically opens the dustbin lid. After a short delay, if no object is detected, the system gently closes the lid again. So the working logic is simple. Hand detected nearby, lid opens. No hand detected, lid closes. Now connect your Arduino to the computer using a USB cable. Select the correct board and port in the Arduino IDE and upload the code. Once uploaded successfully, disconnect the USB and power the system using a battery or power bank. Now try it out. Bring your hand close to the dustbin and watch the lid open automatically without touching anything. This project is a great example of how sensors and automation can be used to create hygienic and smart everyday systems. You can also extend this project by adding a buzzer alert when the bin is full or an LED indicator system to show fill level. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Propellex Labs for more exciting DIY builds. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.